Hello friends, let us see how to make blue pea tea, also known as butterfly pea tea. First let us collect some fresh blue pea flowers. These are also known as Aparajita flowers in Hindi. After collecting the flowers, wash them nicely by adding them in a bowl of water. Heat a glass of water. Once the water starts boiling, start adding the flowers. You may add 5 to 6 flowers to make 1 cup of blue pea tea. Let the flowers boil in water for 3 to 4 minutes. After some time, the color of the water will start changing. Stir occasionally. Switch off the gas after all the flowers are boiled nicely and the color of water changes. Now let us strain the blue pea tea. This blue pea tea is highly antioxidant and is very good for health. It helps in weight management, inflammation, digestion issues, very good for skin and hair, and also helps in stress management. Wow, look at the beautiful blue color. Now I'll show you a magic. Let us see how this blue tea changes to purple tea. Add half lemon juice in the blue tea and watch how nicely the color changes from blue to purple. Isn't it beautiful? You may serve this blue or purple tea either warm or cold. You may add some ice cubes and serve it as a nice refreshing beverage. I love to have it warm. Prepare this blue pea tea once a week and reap the health benefits. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.